We go to our primetime news follow-up now. The Jamaica Fire Brigade has suspended the firefighter who staged a one-man protest on Monday. Sergeant Leo Bennett of the Jamaica Fire Brigade on his one-man protest on Monday. Apart from his general criticism of the management of the brigade, his main contention is the 8-hour work shift which has been re-implemented for workers.
I am prepared to take one for the team.
Motorists, the media, and his superiors all observed his protest action. Commissioner Stuart Beckford of the Fire Brigade spoke with TVJ News after.
Obviously, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, like other uniformed groups, have a disciplinary regulation, and we're a quasi-military organization, which means that discipline is very strict. And so, if there are any breaches in regards to the Fire Brigade's regulation, then there will be, of course, consequences flowing from that.
By Tuesday, this letter was seen circulating on social media. It stated that Sergeant Bennett had been suspended effective May 2 until further notice. It quoted a breach of the brigade's regulations. This video purportedly by Sergeant Bennett in response.
We can't allow ourselves to be shortchanged because with low morale and burnout associated with working 365 and 366 days per year, we would also be shortchanging those who call on us in a time of distress.
There is also an unconfirmed voice note circulating on social media which suggests that other firefighters who were also in support of the 24-hour shift system were missing work in protest of their colleagues' suspension. However, checks with the York Fire Station did not indicate any wide-scale absences. In response to the shift issue, Commissioner Beckford says the 24-hour shift system was implemented in the height of the COVID-19 pandemic as a means of preventing the spread among firefighters.
The orders have been lifted. The COVID numbers in terms of the infection rate, positivity rate, and so on, very low. There are vaccines available for firefighters who so desire to be vaccinated and so on. And so we don't believe that there is a basis to continue with the measure.
General Secretary of the Jamaica Association of Local Government Officers, JALGO, Helen Davis White, has also indicated that permanent use of the 24-hour shift would require legislative changes. There is concern among members, however, about the union's stance on the matter, with calls for the leaders to be replaced.